right now, we're gonna do a cold start on the diesel because there is a lot of cold start videos. Have you seen any cold start videos? Is it cold outside?
Okay, yeah, it's pretty cold. It's December. So
Yeah. So
December 20th.
we haven't started this motor in like over a year, have we?
I know. Today's December 20th, so that's like, since we last did it, was like March.
No, it wasn't. It's been over a year. It was like September of the year before that.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, so it's time to start this thing and we'll see what happens. Then, hey, no, it won't be that loud. Okay? Then, while we're making the video, we are going to take this little dude and see if we can spool it.
That's the thing I was talking about at the beginning. I was like, that thing.
Yeah.
Turbo, right? Is that?
Yep, that's what it is.
Turbo, if I don't guess I'm right.
Yep. So we're gonna see if we can spool it. If we can even get it to start. We did get some starting fluid.
How do you use that thing? It goes.
Not that much. You go. That's it. So let's see if we can get this to happen. You wanna turn it over? You wanna try to start it, or you want me to? You wanna hold the camera?
Okay, I'll hold the camera.
All right, there you go. You ready?
Yeah.
You can crank. We'll see. I think it died.
It died.
You ready?
No. Wait, are you starting it again?
Well, yeah. Smells like ether. So, if I can get this thing running, I don't even know if there's fuel in it. I don't know if it's primed. I don't know that there's fuel in it, bud. If there is, there's not very much. There's not fuel in it. Turn that off.
Let's see. Wait, show me.
No fuel.
There's no fuel. Haha.
I think we have some. Okay, we got fuel. Had to run down to the barn. Diesel, it'll be green, hopefully.
We just got back from a race. A race down to the barn to get gas.
No, diesel. We're not putting gas in.
Oh. A gas in my opinion because you're using gas.
You ready?
No.
Try this again.
Let's just get back.
I'm not going to want to start it off.
Sorry, buddy, if you thought we were going to get it running.
It ran for a second.
Yeah, I know. What are we going to title this video?
Apparently, this is a fail, not a cold start. Mom's waiting on us.
I'm leaving to go to my grandpa's tonight. So.
It's not on to run now.
I think I know what's wrong, Dad.
What's wrong?
It's old.
Well, yeah, we need
And
to
besides,
rebuild
it's
it.
charging, and that could be bad. See, it's charging.
Ready? But it should start with the ether. rebuilt. No compression, apparently, because it has way too much blow-by.
Did you check the gas? You
Doesn't
checked
take
that?
gas.
Did you check
Yeah, it's full, bud.
the pipe? Maybe a burn.
We're just gonna have to deal with it later.
Like and subscribe for more diesel and my.
And methanol and gasoline and
Yep.
and fun, fast things.
Goodbye.
Right?